What's up everyone, welcome back to our Simo's YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to show you something pretty neat. This right here is a just opened 1992 new bright RC car. We just opened it. My dad's had this car for many years now, and this is how it came in 1992. Original box. The car's still in the packaging. We just took this controller out. Here is the paperwork that came with the car itself. As you guys can see, very nice looking car. And today we're gonna take it out of the box for the first time, and yeah, we're gonna see how it is. Controller itself takes 9-volt batteries right here in the back, and it has a on-off switch. And then this antenna was hidden right here, and we went ahead and just put it on the top of this controller. Right here is the styrofoam box after around 31 years of the car being in it. And then the car is right over here. It takes 6 AA batteries. It has a little cover for the battery compartment and the on off switch right down here. Car turned on for the first time, and let's go ahead and see how it is. As you guys can see, for being over 31 years old, this thing is a ripper. It's really fast, and it handles really well. Right here you could adjust the camber up front and kind of the turning of it, and this car is pretty fast. Let me do a side-by-side comparison of something that you could get pretty cheap nowadays compared to this older car right here. This is a size comparison to a more modern RC car. This older car is much bigger than this new one. So I just wanted to share this really cool piece of history with you guys. This car is 10 times better built than any of these more junkier RC cars today. Not only are the tires good, but the car itself handles phenomenally well. This car, like I mentioned, is I believe a 1992 model, and it is currently 2025. So you can say it's probably like 33 years old now. So this car is definitely a very beautiful car, and being in the box, it has kept its shape very well, and it truly is a collector's piece. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and share, and have a great day.